Hello, hello, hello. Siyempre, 5:45 pa lang, kanina pa lang nag-premiere. So, we decided to go online on laptop. Welcome to the musical podcast. Siyempre, we're just getting started. But, you know what's the word for today? A shimmy a day keeps the stress away. Diba? Always remember, kapag sayawan, a shimmy a day shakes the stress away. Igiling mo ng igiling. Or anyways, ikembot mo lang ng ikembot. Kumikembot dapat. And you know what? Sinaswerte ako for today's video. Siyempre, I'm so busy. And hindi mo lang alam kung anong ginagawa ko. Napa-overtime lang ako sa paggagawa ng bulaklak. You know it. Sensya na sa overtime. Kaya, I'm back here at Star Maker. Bukas, babawi ako para sa next musical podcast. Anyways, 47 minutes past 5 o'clock in the evening. 47 minuto pagkalipas ng alas 5 ng gabi. Diba? Oh yes! Kahit maladisko lang, syempre, ikembot man ang ikembot. Pakita mo lang kung paano magaling ka talaga kumembot. Always remember, kung gusto mo sumayaw, kumembot ka na. But yes, we're still getting started. And can I check the premiere? Oh no! 101 minutes. I'm so excited. Malamang patient ako, girls. We just had to wait patient. Or so, habang inintay mo lang, kakantahan ko kayo. You know it. Kakantahan ko kayo. So, stay tuned and enjoy the show.